Good afternoon. I am Dr. Celine Hilda Mary, Assistant Professor in Biochemistry, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Kadalur, Tamil Nadu, India. Now I am going to present about the basal metabolic rate, that is BMR. Introduction. Food is the fuel source of the body when it is ingested, which undergoes this metabolic process and liberates the energy which is required for the vital activities of the body. Man consumes energy to meet the fuel demands of three ongoing processes in the body, that is mainly basal metabolic rate, specific dynamic action and physical activity. First we will see about the basal metabolic rate, that is BMR is the minimum amount of energy required by the body to maintain life at complete physical and mental rest in post-absorptive state. Post-absorptive state means they should not take the food before the testing at least for 12 hours. And there are several functions within the body is carried out at a basal conditions. Example, working of heart and other organs, conduction of nerve impulse, reabsorption of renal tubules, gastrointestinal motility, ion transport across the membrane. Next we will see about the measurement of BMR. BMR can be measured by the two methods, either by using the closed circuit method or by using the open circuit method. In case of the closed circuit method, we can measure the BMR by using the Benedict's Roth apparatus, and in the open circuit method, the BMR can be measured by using the Douglas bag. In case of the Benedict's Roth apparatus, the subject, that is the patient, should be awake at complete physical and mental rest, that is they must be present at the post-absorptive state, and that means the patient should not have taken anything by mouth or by fast at least 12 hours before the testing and in a comfortable surroundings. This is the apparatus used for the measurement of the BMR, that is Benedict's Roth apparatus. In the Benedict's Roth method, there is in this apparatus there is a spirometer is present. The spirometer contains the one inverted cylindrical cylinder. This inverted cylinder is placed in the water jacket at the airtight form, and the upper end of the spirometer is connected to the pulley which in turn is connected to the kymograph. The kymograph contains the one pen. This pen is connected to the recording drum, and the lower part of the spirometer is connected to the oxygen cylinder, and the inlet of the spirometer is connected to the patient mouth by closing the nostrils, and the outlet is connected to the soda line. The spirometer inside, there is a soda lime is placed in order to absorb the oxygen. That's all about the description of the Benedict's Roth apparatus. And in this method, the patient is allowed to take the oxygen for 2 to 6 minutes by using the oxygen cylinder. While the patient consuming the oxygen, the spirometer cylinder is moves up and down according to the oxygen consumed by the patient. The movement of the spirometer is recorded by using the kymograph, that is by using the pen present on the recording drum. The volume of oxygen consumed by the subject for a period of 2 to 6 minutes under basal condition is determined. The standard calorific value of 1 liter of oxygen consumed is 4.825. Actually, in the Benedict's Roth apparatus, the patient is allowed to consume the oxygen for 6 minutes. So the value is multiplied with the, that is 4.825 into an amount of oxygen consumed. Heat produced in 1 hour is 4.825 into 10. That is the 6 minutes is converted to 1 hour by multiplying the factor 10. The BMR can be calculated by using the formula, that is by using the Dubio's formula. In the Dubio's formula, the surface area can be calculated by using by the multiplication of the height and the weight and the standard value of 71.84. Actually, the BMR is defined as the amount of heat produced per surface area of the body and per hour. And so the surface area is calculated by this Dubio's formula. Here H represents the height in centimeter square and W represents the weight in kg. This slide shows the total heat production in kilocalories per hour per body surface area in square meters, that is equal to BMR. Normal values of the BMR falls between the 35 to 8 calories per square meter per hour for adult man, that is 1600 calories per day. For adult woman, which belongs between the 32 to 35 calories per square meter per hour or 1400 calories per day. A BMR value of between minus 15% to plus 20% is considered as the normal. This slide shows the factors affecting BMR. That is, several factors affect the BMR level, such as surface area, sex, age, physical activity, hormones, environmental conditions, starvation, fever, and some disease status. These factors mainly affects the BMR level. First, the surface area. Surface area is directly proportional to the BMR level. That is, the surface area is greater in case of the children compared to the adult, so they are having the higher BMR value compared to the adult. Next one is the sex. Men have marginally higher BMR value, that is up to 5% greater than the woman. Age, in infants and growing children, BMR is higher. In adult, BMR is decreases at the rate of 2% per decade of life. Physical activity is the another factor which affects the BMR. And the increased exercise or regular exercise activity mainly increases the BMR level. And hormones such as thyroid hormones increases the BMR level. Epinephrine, cortisol, sex hormones and growth hormones increases the BMR level. And environmental conditions, that is, BMR is higher in cold climates compared to the warm climates. That means in order to maintain the body temperature, the metabolic activity is increased in the cold climate, so the BMR level also increased in the cold climate when compared to the warm climates. And next one is the starvation. During starvation, a decrease in BMR up to 50% has been reported, because during the starvation condition, in our body there is no food is present, so the metabolic activity may be affected. As a result, the BMR also decreased. In fever condition, the BMR level is increased, that is about 10% increase for every 1 degree rise in body temperature. Disease, some of the disease status, and the BMR is elevated in infections, leukemia, cardiac failure and hypotension, etc. In this disease condition, the BMR level is increased. Next we will see about the significance of BMR. BMR is important to calculate the caloric requirement of an individual and planning of the diets, and also which is required for the assessment of the thyroid function. BMR also is measured used for the measurement of the some of the other disease condition, that is such as in the starvation, undernutrition and Addison's disease, the BMR is below. So in order to diagnose this condition, BMR can be calculated used. And BMR is above normal in fever, diabetes insipidus, leukemia and polycythemia conditions. That's all about the BMR. Thank you.